Understanding Maine Lobster, a deep dive into regional delicacies. Hello and welcome to our English learning community. Today, we'll be exploring a very specific term that's not only interesting but also quite delicious. Maine lobster. It's not just any lobster. It's a term that comes packed with geographical and culinary significance. Let's crack this shell open and learn together. Maine lobster, referred to scientifically as Hamarus americanus, is a type of lobster found on the Atlantic coast of North America, primarily along the state of Maine. It's known for its large size, delicious taste, and distinctively sweet, tender meat. When someone refers to a Maine lobster, they are often highlighting the quality and origin of the lobster. The word Maine in Maine lobster is not just a location, it signifies a brand of quality. Maine's coastal waters are optimal for lobster growth, leading to a booming industry. The term has become synonymous with the best quality lobster one can buy, similar to how champagne is used for high-quality sparkling wine from the Champagne region in France. Maine lobster is not just a food item, it's a cultural icon. It represents Maine's heritage, its fishing communities, and its economy. The lobster industry is a significant part of Maine's identity, contributing millions to the state's economy and supporting thousands of jobs. When you're using Maine lobster in a sentence, it's usually in the context of food and dining. For example, we celebrated our anniversary with a gourmet meal featuring Maine lobster. I prefer the taste of Maine lobster over any other type of seafood. That's all for today's delicious topic. We hope you now understand not only what a Maine lobster is but also its significance in both language and culture. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more learning adventures with you. Bon appétit and happy learning!